Does your hair feel rough and break easily? If the answer is yes, then keep watching this video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, this is Kavita from Two Girls in the City blog. Well, L'Oreal Paris have come up with the first of its kind diagnosis from what it identifies as dehydrated hair. Introducing the new hair care range from L'Oreal Paris, Hydra Hyaluronic, formulated with hyaluronic acid. This game-changing range is the first step for tackling dehydrated hair. Formulated by the world leading hair care scientists with hyaluronic acid for fuller, bouncier and shinier hair with no way down. I had only known the magical benefits of hyaluronic acid to hydrate my skin, and with some research, L'Oreal have now managed to merge their #1 selling serum, L'Oreal Revitalift Filler Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and adapt it to treat hair. The formulas will help plump the fiber of the hair for hair that looks full, bouncy, shiny and feels weightlessly hydrated for up to 72 hours. I love the way these two products make my hair look and feel. I do have pretty dry hair and this injected life back into it. My hair is heavy and these two products alone added so much lightness and bounce into my hair. It also leaves my hair soft and smooth every time. Hydra Filling Night Creams, which gives you 4 times more hydration and softness. Recommend this range as a solution to all the dehydrated hair type problems and to achieve hydrated, shiner and fuller hair. The range also keeps your hair feeling very lightweight and bouncy, as hyaluronic acid itself is a lightweight ingredient. On a final note, this hair care range is one of the best scented range I have ever used. I adore the scent, and it's even better that it actually lingers in the hair. Grab your Hyaluron Moisture range to try it and test it out for yourself. I'm gonna give you the link in the description box below, so you can definitely check that. Hope this video was helpful. Do try this new hair care range and let me know in the comment section below how did you like it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.